In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Notion page public so you can share it with anyone using a simple link. This is perfect if you want to share notes, documentation, a portfolio, a landing page, or any kind of workspace with clients, teammates, or your audience. Notion makes this really easy once you know where to click, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss anything. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct account. From your Notion dashboard, go to the page that you want to make public. If you don't already have a page created, click on New Page and set one up. This can be a blank page or a template, it doesn't matter. Once your page is open, you can customize it however you like, adding text, headings, images, links, or databases, because whatever is on this page is exactly what people will see once it's published. Next, click into the page title area and make sure you're on the correct page. Now look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that usually says Private. This means the page is only visible to you or people inside your workspace. Go ahead and click on that Private button. When you click it, a sharing panel will open up. Inside this panel, you'll see an option to publish the page. Click on Publish. Notion may show you a confirmation step depending on your account settings. Click Publish again to confirm. Once you do this, Notion will instantly make the page public and generate a shareable link for you. After publishing, you'll see additional options appear. One of the most useful ones is View Site. Click on View Site to open the public version of your Notion page in a new tab. This lets you preview exactly what other people will see when they open your link. From here, you can copy the URL from your browser and share it anywhere you want, like in an email, on social media, or on your website. If you want more control, you can also adjust publishing settings, such as allowing or disabling search engine indexing, or letting viewers duplicate the page into their own Notion workspace. And don't worry, you can always unpublish the page later by going back to the same menu and turning off publishing, which will instantly make the page private again. That's it. You've successfully made a Notion page public and shared it with the world. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.